Hey Mecha fans, welcome back for another preview. This time we will be looking at our first model kit. This is the Thunderbolt in Era 2.0 Manta Ray Edition. This version has been delayed for months. Not really sure if this is true, but it seems that the initial design gained a lot of negative feedback in the Chinese community. That's why redesign has been made as you see on the pictures. I already pre-ordered mine months ago so that I could get the best price possible. And this is the version I was expecting to get when I did my pre-order months ago. And the new version has evolved into a ginormous backpack, sort of like a mobile armor. Personally, I like the old 2.0 design compared to this one. And for this version, we will be getting an updated 21 set of runners just for this version. Next on the list, Dodo model will be producing the HGBF YC Nanju. No specific release date has been announced, so definitely we will be watching out for any update on this one. For now, let's enjoy the images that has been released. Subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.